Philosophy and literature strives to make a contribution to the humanities by bringing together two fields that are independently complex, philosophy and literature. The project is to see each field, in a sense, in light of the other. In Dante, a reader might know the text well, but to then see Dante's text, in a sense, through the lens of medieval philosophy of its time, shows something new that a reader might well have missed. This expands the reach and the depth of a text. Or, for example, Shakespeare might be read in light of new scientific developments of the time. Or Dostoevsky might be read in light of existentialist themes. Many examples of this kind are explored in this journal, and we always encourage writing that, in a sense, sheds light in both directions simultaneously. The authors in this journal that we publish investigate human psychology, human motivation, human responsibility, human understanding, self-understanding, and the understanding of others. All of these issues are discussed, but in a way that is always readily comprehensible to any intelligent reader. Sometimes work in these fields becomes jargon-infested. This journal is the antidote to that. The journal is organized into 10 different sections or columns so that readers can enter the journal from divergent points of view and stay in the journal for any duration that they like. We have longer pieces, shorter pieces, pieces of medium length, and pieces of varying depth. Lines of Thought is a column that offers full-length reviews of a set of books on a particular topic. One that's forthcoming, for example, is on empathy, on the role of empathy in human understanding, in ethics, and particularly in politics, which we think is a fairly urgent matter in present circumstances. And we have regular reviews of new works in the field, which we think are helpful to our readers. And we also have a new column called Codas. These come at the very end of the journal. One recently was on the representation of philosophical figures in the movies. If a journal has such a thing as a dessert, this would be it. Philosophy and literature is a place where our readers can come to investigate human motivation, human understanding, the consequences of action, the power of language, and many other literary philosophical issues. We think this is important because when our readers delve into our journal in this kind of investigation of philosophical and literary issues, we hope they will come out with an ever more nuanced appreciation of the complexity of human life, of the motivations of human life, and what it takes to actually understand another person. And this reaches beyond the pages of a journal, out into society, into politics, and into how we live our lives.